Hi friends, this is the math lesson for third grade. This is Unit 3, Lesson 12, Part 2. We are going to complete page 209 together, and then we will work on page 210 in our small group. So this video is only going to go through page 209. We are going to make two different bar graphs today, and we are going to make one horizontal bar graph and one vertical bar graph. So the first thing we want to do is we want to get all of our labels kind of set, and then we will fill it in. So let's start with number 13. We're going to make a horizontal one here. We know that our title is going to be Joe's DVD collection. And we know that it has the number of DVDs. So that's going to be what our bars are increasing by. So number of DVDs. And then we're going to turn our paper to the side and we're going to write type of DVD. And we know that we have three different types. We have comedy, action, and drama. So go ahead and make sure you have all those. If you need to pause the video, go ahead. Now we need to figure out, what are we going to count by? Does it make sense to count by ones? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8? No. What about fives? 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40? No, I need to go all the way to 60. What about tens? 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80? That sounds good. So you're going to write each of your numbers right on the line from 0 to 80, just like that. Okay, now I like to do my bar graphs in a color so I can keep them straight. But what we're going to do now is we are going to make our bar graph. So my first one, and I kind of like to draw them backwards, and I'll show you why. And I'm going to turn my paper. So I like to start at 60, and then I can go all the way back to this ending line. That way I know that I'm not going to go ahead of where I need to. So there is my first bar for my graph. Then it says action, which is 35. So I have 30 and 40 right here. So 35 is half of that, so it's going to be in the middle. So I'm going to draw my little line like that, and I'll draw my bar. So halfway. And then I'm going to grab my last color, and I know drama is 20. So here's 20 on my bar graph. I'm going to draw my bar. Ooh, these two look very similar. That's okay though. So I have comedy, action, drama. And there you have it. So not too hard making a bar graph. There's just a few steps involved, right? Okay, next one. This time we're going to make a vertical bar graph. So our vertical bar graph, we're going to get all of our things filled in, and then we are going to use our colors. So this time we are looking at summer bike sales. We have types of bikes and numbers sold. So summer bike sales. We know that our bars are going to be going up. So our numbers are also going up. So here on the side would be number of bikes. And down here would be type of bikes. I'm going to put each type right here. So we have a road, and you just have to write road. You don't have to write the word bike. Mountain, and a hybrid. So something in the middle of those two, I assume. Now I need to figure out what to count by. So counting by ones, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. No way, not gonna fly. Tens, 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. Not that either. What about hundreds? Would hundreds work? I need, the highest is 600. So 0, 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600. So yes. So go ahead and label each of your lines counting by hundreds. Now I would like you to fill in your bars. So you're going to have your vertical bars all going up and down. If you want, you can do the trick I showed you and kind of draw them going. Actually, probably makes sense, just leave it this way and draw going down. That's what I would do. But go ahead and pause the video and draw your bar graph. Don't get tricked on hybrid. All right, let's see how you guys did. So road bikes was 200. So here are my road bikes. Mountain bikes are 600. Whew! Popular. Okay. And last but not least, hybrid is 450. Well, I don't have 450, but I know 450 is between 400 and 500. So it would look like that, kind of right in the middle of 400 and 500. And there we go, a vertical bar graph. All right, that is it for the recorded lesson. I hope your graphs look beautiful. Like I said, we will work on page 210 in our small group, so please make sure you bring it. That is it. We'll see you later, friends.